Hello everyone, in this video I'll be doing a review of the Starbucks Sriracha Spicy Chili Sauce. So, Starbucks Sriracha is something you can get with, I got it with a Panini, but you can get it, I think with some other options there. Spicy Chili Sauce. So, let's see if this is actually spicy. Usually from restaurants, things that say they're spicy, or even Sriracha is kind of like a nullified, watered down version of it. Number one ingredient is red jalapeno puree, water, red chili puree, sugar, white vinegar, garlic puree, red bell pepper puree, salt, cornstarch, garlic, habanero pepper powder, and xanthan gum. So that's the ingredients to this sauce here. And Sriracha sauce probably only has about 5 calories per little satchel here, sacket, package, whatever you're going to call it. And it looks like there's little slots to open it up on, but I'm not having the best luck with that, so, oh, there we go. Don't want to send this Sriracha flying everywhere. So. Wow. Almost bulletproof. And I still didn't get it open. I think that's enough to get it out, yep. All right, so I'm going to put this on the Panini, and I'll let you guys know what I think. Ooh. It's like a fiery red color. Sauced up. That's all the sauce there. There's a good bit of it. I don't want to try and show you anymore because I might end up with this on the floor, but I'm going to bite right in and let you guys know how it is. Yeah, it's definitely Sriracha. Tastes true to Sriracha. It's, It tastes like the red jalapeno peppers and the chili peppers there. I mostly feel the chili because that's what Sriracha is made from. And it's got that garlic taste that Sriracha has as well. So this is actually like a really good Sriracha sauce. It's flavored pretty much identical to the normal Sriracha sauce. Maybe a little bit different. It might be a little bit more like garlicky to pair with their food, but that's good. I really like the Sriracha sauce from Starbucks. So I'm gonna give the Starbucks Sriracha an 8 out of 10. Some pretty good Sriracha sauce. I'm surprised. I didn't expect it to be this good, but it pairs very well with the Panini that I got here. So I like it. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button below, and I'll see you in the next video.